Testing, testing. One, two, three. 2, 3. All right. So I'm literally trying to um. Oh, hey there. I see your comment on the screen. Who is this? Sharna K. Thanks for stopping by. All right. So for some reason I'm having a bit of lag with the stream, but thanks for stopping by. I'm good, thanks. How are you? I'm actually just here watching Dogecoin USD. Oh, it's lagging. Okay, how bad? How bad is it lagging? Can you tell me? And if you could just leave a like on the video, that would be amazing. I keep cutting out every time I talk. I'm wondering if that's a bandwidth issue. That's what I'm wondering right now. Perhaps I need to close some web pages. All right, how about now? Can you hear me? No? Testing, testing. Can you hear me? Are you still there? Who is this in the chat? Janessa? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. If you could leave a like, that would be great. So to be clear, you guys are hearing me much better now? That's what you're saying? Spike Bell, welcome to the stream. Oh, so we got two cappers in the chat. All right. So thanks for dropping in. As I said before, it would be great if you could actually leave a like on the live chat or on the stream. So just a quick rundown on Dogecoin for if Janessa and Pierre doesn't know about it. So Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency. There are many cryptocurrencies out there. Dogecoin is the most volatile at the moment. It is mostly pushed by news events. All right. It doesn't really have any full background use. What persons right now are trying to do is to get it to be a sending coin. All right. So there are other crypto out there. I will use Sia coin for example. Sia coin is probably my favorite cryptocurrency at this point. Well, it's between Sia coin and Cardano. Well, among Sia coin, Cardano, and XRP. As I said before, there are a lot of cryptocurrencies. I love XRP and I love Sia coin. Though you might not be familiar with the names, but it is something that you should get familiar with. The world is changing. The world is ever changing at this point. Um, at some point in time, cryptocurrency is be the main or one of the main spending tools in our world. So it's just like when you did history class and they said, um, so they said it was bartering first. So if you wanted a cow, you would trade three sheep for it, or three goats for it, or four goats, or whatever the case may be. Then we move from that to metal, Sia coin, SIACOIN, Spike Bell, SIACOIN. I'm going to bring up a website in a bit to show Sia coin and some other cryptocurrencies that I'm interested in. So it was bartering at first, with the cow and the goats and the sheep, or a pile of hay, or whatever the case may be. Then it went to metals. It went to gold, silver, um, stuff like that. Then it went to fiat, US dollars, Canadian dollars, um, Great Britain pound, you know, um, Japanese yen. Now in 2021, it is cryptocurrency making a huge breakthrough right now. So we have Bitcoin, which everybody knows because Bitcoin has blown up. But then we have Ethereum, which is like second in line. We have Cardano, we have XRP, we have Coin, we have Tron, which is mostly a token. We have um, Raven Coin. We have quite a lot of cryptocurrency out there. Excuse me. Yes, so Coin, Sia Coin, SIACOIN. It's one word. Spike Bell, one word. So as I said before, Dogecoin is not. It doesn't have much utility, and it is being marketed as a coin that will. It is marketed as a coin that will be a spending coin. Like, for example, if you go to the coffee shop and you want a however Starbucks sells a coffee, I don't even know. But if you go and say you want a cup of coffee, instead of taking out a $5 bill or a $10 bill out of your wallet, you would take your phone out and you would pay with Dogecoin. So that is a utility that they're trying to get it adopted for. There are other cryptocurrencies, however, that has utility and a lot more utility. So we are aware of Dropbox. We are aware of the Google Drive. Spike Bell said, "Big up Starbucks." All right, so we are aware of those storage. What's the word I'm looking for? So essentially, they're online storages. All right, and Sia Coin is in that market. Excuse me. So Google Drive and those other companies are or subsidiaries of companies are competitors. And in a few years from now, I believe that Sia Coin is going to be near dominant based on how they're structuring their design. So Sia Coin is currently at 1 cent, and I was going to bring Sia Coin up for a little bit here. So I'm going to take Dogecoin off the screen. I'm going to take Doge off screen. All right, so what we're looking at now is we are on Coinmarketcap.com. This is a really good website, and it's the website I use to monitor. I use it to monitor the cryptocurrencies that I hold, and I look for cryptocurrencies and slash tokens that are new on the market that I could possibly get into. They blow up and are too expensive for me to get in the first place. So as you can see, today's Sia coin price is 1 cent. So to an extension, it is 0.0117. Fortunately for me, I got in before it was 1 cent. Now, how the value for cryptocurrency works is it goes up by percentage. So it's not if it goes up 2 cents, you're like, oh, okay, that is good or that is bad. It goes up by a percentage. And the fastest way to see um, a lot of money in what you're doing is to hold a lot. So for example, at this time, say a coin is worth 1 cent, a little over 1 cent. If you were to take $100 and buy, you would probably get around 10,000 say a coin. Now, depending on the percentage it goes up, it doesn't have to. This doesn't have to go to $1 for you to see um, your money double. So the $100 that you put in, it would not you would not need to see this get to $1 before you see $200. It just needs to go up a few percent, and you would essentially double your money. Maybe my explanation is probably not that quite clear. If it's clear, let me know. If not, let me fix it up. So you guys should let me. Oh, whoa, wow! So I didn't even realize that the screen wasn't showing. Okay, so there we go. My apologies. And as I said before, for those just coming in, if you could leave a like, that would be amazing. So I was talking this whole time and I didn't realize that the screen wasn't showing. All right, so as I said before, it is now worth 1 cent. Now getting in now would be amazing. Listen, one of the major issues that is that people think that you just buy crypto today and suddenly you're rich tomorrow. That's not how it happens. That's not how the market goes. All right, that's not how the market goes. Oh, you made $200? Oh, that's nice. That is nice. What you should do with the $200 you made is reinvest the $200. That's if you're trading. If you're holding and it has accumulated at cost of $200, then keep holding. All right. So as I said before, Sia Coin is actually one of my favorite cryptos. So I'm going to scroll down so you can actually see some background about Sia Coin. All right. So what is Sia Coin? Sia Coin is a native utility token of Sia, a blockchain-based decentralized cloud storage platform. So Sia acts as a secure, trustless marketplace for cloud storage in which users can lease access to their unused storage space. Agreements and transactions are enforced with smart contracts, and Sia Coin is a medium of exchange for paying for storage on the network. The main goal of the project is to become the backbone storage layer of the internet. All right, so that's a lot right there. And to be honest, I do think Sia Coin can do this. So holding Sia Coin for a very long time is going to be a daunting task, but there's no doubt about it that Sia Coin is going to increase in value over the next coming years. No, what is what possibly could hold it back a bit is the fact that it has no market, so it is essentially an endless stream of Sia Coin. So it won't progress as fast as say Bitcoin, which has a market cap. However, it will continue to push up. It is something along the lines of Dogecoin, as in if it is going to be for storage in the way how they're pushing it, then definitely you can't have a market cap for it, because at the end of the day, if there's a market cap, then excuse me, if there's a market cap, then they're not going to be able to execute what they're trying to do at the end of the day. So they're going to end up running out of Sia Coin. Or say, for example, they buys up all the Sia Coin. What happens next? Right? So that's the reason why you can't have a market cap on it. Eh, excuse me. All right. So let's. All right. So let's look at Cardano. Let's look at Cardano. So just hold on for me a bit. Spike Bell says money is what the girl them love. Definitely Spike. Definitely accumulate that. All right. So this is Cardano. Now currently the price for Cardano is $1.17. Now I believe that what we're seeing is some form of retracement at this time. After every bullish move or after every bearish move, where the market is going, always look for the exhaustion. All right, what is Cardano? And I think for this stream, what I'm going to do is go through the cryptos that I currently hold so that you can see the utility part of it and you will understand why I bought into it and see how it can definitely, um, gather price or gather value in the coming years. And as I said before, and I keep stressing this, excuse me, I can't stress this enough. Crypto is not a get rich scheme. It is not a get rich quick overnight type thing. That is not what crypto is. But it does age very well. If the crypto has a nice background, is a nice team, a good team working in the background, they're doing a good job, then it is going to age well. It is going to gain in value really well. All right. But if not, it is probably going to be stagnant. Even if the developers are good, if they don't have the support or there are a lack of developers, then it is going to just stay where it is. One example of this is Redcoin, but I will get into Redcoin at a later date. All right, so what is Cardano? Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow change makers, innovators, and visionaries to bring about positive global change. The open source project also aims to redistribute power from unaccountable structures to the margins to individuals, helping to create a society that is more secure, transparent, and fair. Cardano was founded back in 2017, and the ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. The team behind the layered blockchain says that there have already been some compelling use cases for its technology, which aims to allow decentralized apps and smart contracts to be developed with modularity. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. All right, so all right, what makes Cardano unique? Cardano is one of the biggest blockchains to successfully use a proof census mechanism, which is less energy intensive than the proof of work algorithm relied upon by Bitcoin. Although the much larger Ethereum is going to be upgrading to POS or point of sale, this transition is only going to take place gradually. The project has taken pride in ensuring that all of the technology developed goes through a process of peer reviewed research, meaning that bold ideas can be challenged before they are validated. According to the Cardano team, this academic rigor helps the blockchain to be durable and stable, increasing the chance of potential pitfalls can be anticipated in advance. In 2020, Cardano held a Shelley upgrade that aimed to make its blockchain 50 to 100 times more decentralized than other large blockchains. All right, so Cardano does have does have a strong background to it. It does have future use. Definitely Cardano, and I'll tell you. Um, let me let me take this back 1 year because if I can remember correctly, Cardano was worth 35 cents last year. So all right, here we go. It was worth 9 cents September 2020. 9 cents. Look where it is right now. This is not working for me at all. All right. So 9 cents, and it is now 16 cents right now. So do the math. That's a huge increase. That is a huge increase. Lower Mill, love your videos. Thank you. I not think anybody appreciated them. For those just joining, if you could leave a like on this, that would be great. That'd be greatly appreciated by me. Thanks. Yes, it is a massive increase to be honest. Now, look at it like this: if you had gotten in at 9 cents, right, and it's now worth $1.17, and $1.17 is a correction because it was near $1.40 or somewhere within that price range. Now, if you had gotten it for 9 cents and you had bought, say you spent $100, all right, you'd have gotten a few thousand. Now, imagine the few thousand now worth $1. It is absolutely crazy. All right, so we're going to move on to another one of my favorites. And that's XRP. All right, so XRP is now worth 45 cents. And this is another one of those cryptos that really eluded me. If I'm in it from the start, I'd be seeing massive profits at this time, but you can't always catch it. All right. And that's one of the reasons why I'm happy I really got into Sia Coin at this point in time, because Sia Coin does have real life use. All right. And by the way, the XRP has been facing a lawsuit from the SEC, which has affected its price over the last few months. So I do hold XRP on Coinbase, and I hold XRP on a few platforms, right? Most notably Coinbase. Coinbase is where I have the most XRP. Uh, right. So when the SEC started the lawsuit against them, I was unable to do anything except trade for something else with XRP or sell. Could not purchase, could not get any more XRP on Coinbase. However, on Kraken I could. So I could get it on Kraken, could not get it on Coinbase, and I really think that impacted the price for XRP. Now that we've seen that XRP is actually, you know, putting up a good fight to the point where it seems like they're winning this lawsuit, we can we can hope or not even hope. I do see XRP pushing upwards and increasing drastically in price. I think this now is a time, it would be important if you are in crypto. And let's be clear, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just doing this for the fun of it, for the love of it, and it is something that I love. So this is why I'm doing it. Dogecoin says Sharnake, Spike Bell, Bap Bap. Sharnake says BRB. All right, Sharnake. All right, what is XRP? And I am aware that you all can read, but I'm just reading it to you since you're watching the stream. And I said before, CoinMarketCap is a good website to go on, and you can view all of this information here. No, I am not sponsored or funded by anybody. So, what is XRP? To begin with, it's important to understand the difference between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a currency that runs on a digital payment platform called RippleNet, which is on top of a distributed ledger database called XRP Ledger. While RippleNet is run by a company called Ripple, the XRP ledger is open source and is not based on blockchain, but rather the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The RippleNet payment platform is a real-time growth settlement system that aims to enable instant monetary transactions globally. While XRP is a currency native to the XRP ledger, you can actually use any currency to transact on the platform. While the idea behind the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fuga, I am butchering the name, I don't know. It wasn't until Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson took over the project in 2012 that Ripple began to be built. At the time, it was also called OpenCoin. How does XRP work? XRP was created by Ripple to be a speedy, less costly, and more scalable alternative to both other digital assets and existing monetary payment platforms like Swift. So, if you've ever sent money overseas, or if you've sent money to other person by a wire transfer, then you would understand. RippleNet's ledger is maintained by the global XR community, with Ripple, the company, as an active member. With the company as an active member. Sorry about that. The XRP ledger processes transactions roughly every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validator nodes come to a consensus on both the order and validity of XRP transactions, as opposed to proof of work mining like Bitcoin. Anyone can be a Ripple validator, and the list is currently made up of Ripple along with universities, financial institutions, and others. Laura Mill says hi. Hi, Laura Mill. How are you? So essentially, XRP is allowing you to transfer money so fast, right, that the normal transfer that banks use will become redundant. Now, if you can't see, and that is just layman terms, all right, that is just the basic of it. So if you as an investor or an individual can't see the benefit of investing in this coin, then there's nothing I can say to you actually. All right. So there's always news on this website, and you can see some of the latest, most important news on cryptos. The crypto that you're looking at, you can see it at the bottom. You can see here the major news is that MoneyGram and Ripple part ways over XRP lawsuit. Now you can read this news story on your own, or I might make a video about it. I'm not sure as it. All right, but as I said before, news moves the market most of the times, if not all the times. But I'm not worried about this. This is not something I'd be worried about, to be honest. And this happened on the 8th. And the thing about it, this happened on the 8th. Today is the 9th, tomorrow's the 10th. And XRP's price has actually increased. All right, it has increased. So I am not worried about this at all. So let me just read through it a bit. MoneyGram is a business entity that allows you to send money locally or internationally to anyone, family, friends, relatives, strangers, any companies, anything. All right. I mean, this is not anything groundbreaking. I'm definitely not worried about that. All right. So taking another look at Dogecoin right now. See what the charts are saying. All right. So we're seeing a huge dip right now. All right. So this wick that we're seeing here it went all the way down to 0.054 cents. Well, we are on the 1 hour time frame, by the way. There's 39 minutes left in this time for this candlestick to close. So there's a possibility that we could see another retouch of this era, of the 6 cent era. That's what I'm actually looking for. And as I said before in the video I did today, did and uploaded today, this era, I don't think price will fall below this era, especially with the plans that you know are being put in place at Dogecoin. So I don't think price is going to fall below, but it is very hard at this point without huge pumps. It is very hard to move up into this era. So definitely, I think even if it does, it is just from the volume from consumers. To be honest. All right, so it is just the volume, and especially since this new stimulus package has been passed. If we're going to see price move above this, it is going to be a superficial move because there's nothing backing it except constant volume being put into the market. And that is one of the biggest issues with Dogecoin at this time. That is one of the biggest issues with Dogecoin at this time. There is nothing really there to keep it at the level where it is. So until we can see something like that, it is always going to be, it's always going to be extremely volatile. Wow, I keep forgetting to every time I turn the screen off. I keep forgetting to turn it back on. I didn't even realize that the screen was off again. And as you can see, I haven't removed any of the price areas that I marked up. I haven't removed anything. It's been the same each video. It has been the same. So I guess we could keep looking. Hopefully it continues to move up. What I would like to see now, because I said down here would have been nice to get in with more buys. What I'd like to see now is for it to stay above 6 cents and to be comfortable above 6 cents. That's what I'd like to see for Dogecoin right now. And I surmise if it does, it would stay there for quite some time unless there is some major news. I have seen celebrities, I have seen businesses, companies green lighting Dogecoin for purchases. And while that isn't bad, if nobody is using it to buy, it makes no sense. All right. So it is important to have some background, or if what they're trying to do right now, by making it a standard payment coin, if they move quickly on that, then we can see an increase in value. Separate from that, I do see the main price range to be $1. To be honest with you, I do not see it getting to 10, 15, 20, 100,000. I don't see it getting there anytime soon without any major development behind it. So this is probably not a Bitcoin level coin. All right. Probably the max it probably could get to at this point is probably $3. But as I said before, if you are holding hundreds of thousands of Doge, $3 is a massive increase. The percentage increase is massive, and your profit increase would also be massive. All right. So how long have we been streaming? So I've been streaming for about 45 minutes. Um, I think I might call it for now. If you're watching this after the live stream, if you have any comments, questions, or queries, you can leave them in the comments below. As usual, you could always drop a like on the video. It helps the YouTube algorithm. That's it for me for tonight. Thank you for watching. Stay profitable. Bye bye.